So when you have 2 points, so when we're given 2 points, kind of like always, our first step is to find the slope. So we have to figure out what the slope is. So we start with 2 minus a negative 4 over 1 minus 3. That gives me 6 over negative 2 or negative 3. Then I'll write it in point slope form, and it doesn't matter what point you pick. I'm going to pick the one that doesn't have any negatives. Y minus the y coordinate equals the slope, x minus the x coordinate. There's your point slope. Then to get it to slope intercept, distribute the negative 3, negative 3x plus 3, add 2 to each side, y equals negative 3x plus 5. That's your slope intercept form.